You've already seen the title of the video. Yeah, that is right. I am roasting myself and a few makeup products. So if you want to find out how that goes, just keep watching. How are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. And you came to the right one. Guys, so you've seen the title. I have got some makeup products that don't quite work for me. And again, anything that you see in my videos that I don't like doesn't mean that you have to not like them too. They might work great on you. Just like there might be makeup products that don't work on you, that work on me. Everybody's skin's different and products react differently on everybody. I always have to do this disclaimer, guys. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, now some of these products you might have already seen on my worst products videos, but they're here on my roast video and they're here for a reason. So for every makeup product that I roast, I'm going to roast myself. This should be interesting. So the first thing that I've got is a Physicians Formula Super BB, and this is the hashtag Insta Ready Contour Trio Stick. Okay, Physicians Formula. Have y'all seen this? First of all, I do love the packaging. It looks like a mini deodorant stick, really. It really does. But it does have 3 different colors on it. I know I will show swatches and close-ups and all that. Now, I do love the colors, and I think the product is really soft and creamy and blendable and everything. But Physicians Formula, really pink contour? What was you thinking? Wait, what was you thinking? To roast myself, I hate that I can't use Facetune. I do. I hate it. You ever seen like these top beauty YouTubers or anybody else for that matter? They are Facetuning their pictures so beautifully, flawless, just gorgeous. Mine always ends up looking like this. Does anybody else get that feeling? That Facetune knows who's using them. Guys, the next thing, and I know y'all have seen these palettes on my worst products list. This is the LA Colors, the Cool, and the Nude palette. No pigment. No pigment. Where is the pigment? They left the pigment out of these palettes. LA Colors, I love you. I love you. I love you with my whole heart. But why'd you forget to put pigment in my palettes? I hate it. Because I'm awkward. I am the most awkward person you have ever met in your life. If I'm in a crowded room, if I'm in a room with one other person, I'm always quiet. I don't talk. I don't say anything. I need to be more social. I'm like the most awkward person in the world. And for the next product, we have XNO Cosmetics. Really? This one is in shade It's a Girl. Well, it's a gimmick. No, it ain't no gimmick. No, it can be a gimmick because there's nothing gimmicky about it. But it's a bad. It's patchy. There's no pigmentation. When you can get just a little bit of pigment, it brushes away. It blends away. Come on, City Color. You could do better than that. Another thing that I hate about myself is I am a procrastinator. I procrastinate everything. Going to the bathroom. Everything. And I hate that about it. It took me 4 years to make this channel. Alright, the next thing. Oh my God, guys. Hard Candy. I love their packaging. And yeah, sure, they are a little bit gimmicky. But I love their packaging. I love their products. But this is the Light Bright Whipped Brightening Concealer. This is like you're putting concrete on your face. It is that bad. You put this under your eyes and you are chipping pieces of rock, concrete off of your eyes. Another thing I hate about myself, and I think it's good to get this stuff out, because then once you know what you dislike about yourself, then you know what you need to fix. I am the most indecisive person. Oh, what do you want for dinner? It don't matter. Or burgers. No. Pizza. Let's have pizza. No, wait. Let's have spaghetti. No, you know what? It really don't matter. I just hate it. I just hate it. I cannot make up my mind about anything. Get it? Can't make up my mind. Probably had this for about 20 years. This is the Color Workshop, and it's a palette. I don't know what the palette's called or anything. It does have little names on the lid. Need I say more? And it's not all broke up and like that because it's used. It's because I have swatched it, because I keep wanting to go into it and use it, but like I said, it's like 20 years old, so I might not want to do that. My roots, okay? And I guess this goes with the procrastination thing, but like, when are you going to dye your roots? I mean, come on, Mandy. Now it's starting to look like the ombre on accident. Luxie. And I absolutely love Luxie brushes. This is the Pro Precision Tapered Brush number 640. What's that? What is this? It's not firm enough to do foundation. It's too soft to even do blush, and that's really crazy. You damn sure can't contour with it. So what is this, Luxie? Like, what do you want me to do with this? Like, another thing, I will not throw my makeup away. I don't care. Like 20 years. I hate throwing away makeup. Now, I don't mind giving it away or giving it, whatever. But as far as throwing it away, even after it expires, and it just takes up so much room, but yet I'm so cheap, too cheap to throw anything away. Next thing is an eyeshadow. No, sorry. I'm wrong. Should be an eyeshadow. This is Glamour Doll Eyes. This is a blush, and it is the Poor Souls Multi-Purpose Blush. Now, I know it says multi-purpose, but why is this labeled a blush? I mean, come on. This thing is, it's really good for an inner corner highlight, an eyeshadow, something like that around the eyes. Who would wear this as a blush? This is like your headlights on high beam. This is crazy, crazy loud. Who would use it for a blush? Because I have no life. Like, I'm always at home. Hey, you want to go to the movies? No, I think I'm just going to stay home and watch TV. Come on, let's go to the mall. Let's go shopping. Yeah, I got stuff to do at home. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you next video. Bye, guys.